Welcome back you guys to another video. So in today's video we're going to be upgrading and installing a newer charge pipe. Yeah, if you could see it right here, it's kind of leaking and that's not good for the charge pipe. So I'm going to be taking out the whole thing and replacing it with a new charge pipe with the blow up valve. That's going to be sick. So that's our new charge pipe, that powered by the POV, the blow off valve. That's gonna be typically installed right here, and that's another like connection. There's like those. We're gonna be installing that in the car. The new upgraded charge pipe with a blow off valve. Here's your charge pipe. So let's get started with the cold air intake first. All right, this one. Here we go. All right, now the cold air intake one's out of the way. Oh, here we go. That's a C-clamp, so loosen, pull it, and then you pull this one too. There's another one right here. We need to remove the sensor. This is really important. Alright, that's the OEM charge pipe. We need to take that thing out. Alright, so it goes right here. Here we go, now it fits. Put it on the side. It's bothering me, man. Damn, look at this. It's gonna be tight. So since this is so little, we have like an extension. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna take one of these right here. Here we go. I'm gonna try to fasten it right here. That's good. That's one end. Really tight and good. Now remember that goes like that. Okay, that should be good right there. Alright, that's perfect. Alright, put it back in. So, testing driving. That's the sound. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but like psst. The sound is amazing. Let's go. Alright, that's gonna be the first pull. Be ready, guys. Oh shit. You guys heard that? You guys heard that? It's amazing. And the car feels so much better, guys. The throttle is really good. Oh man, the lag it's almost gone. No lag, really. SRT. It's amazing, guys. Now I'm not even shifting to the sport mode and it's popping like crazy. I bet it's popping like fires on the back. I don't see, but that's gonna be another video, guys. Stay tuned for the fire. Oh man, that's gonna be amazing. So I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy with
just leave.